Weekend train trips punish heavy bags, tight seats, standing room, and an overhead rack that eats your patience. So here's how I pack for a 2-day rail run. I pack one body, one lens, and never touch the overhead rack twice. Camera ready in seconds, no lens swaps, no digging. I mount a fast 16-25mm f2.8 and leave it on all weekend. That aperture keeps ISO low on dim night platforms and station interiors. One lens means I watch the scene instead of swapping glass while the train pulls in. Body goes in the main slot, lens already attached. 2 spare batteries in one dedicated pocket, 1 card in the camera, 1 spare in a hard case. When the train doors open, I grab and shoot, no unzipping 5 compartments. A small sling or compact pack fits under the seat and lifts easily overhead. It still holds a water bottle, a charger, and a rain sleeve without becoming a hard block. I keep the heaviest item close to my back for stability walking platforms. Batteries die before image quality does. Many last 90 to 150 minutes recording, so 2 spares are my minimum. For video, I run V60 cards at 4K 60, and UHS-2 clears the buffer fast after a platform crowd burst. I keep the camera across my chest, not swinging at my side. Shorten the strap before boarding, lengthen it at the stop. Rest the lens against your chest in a crowded car, and steady it with one hand stepping off. A microfiber cloth, a blower, a rain sleeve, and a lens hood. That's it. The hood guards the front element squeezing through tight doorways, and the cloth wipes mist before it ruins a station shot. Light, cheap, easy to replace. That's the whole kit. One bag, grabbed in seconds, packed for the real risks of rail travel. Keep it lean and you'll shoot more, not less. If this helped your next trip, subscribe for more field-tested packing breakdowns.